Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today I am bringing you the most exciting and awaited review of the year, the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max 2026 edition. Apple has once again set the bar higher, redefining what a smartphone can be, both in terms of power and sophistication. When you first hold the iPhone 17 Pro Max in your hand, you immediately realize this is not just another phone, it is a statement of futuristic design combined with cutting-edge technology. The body is crafted with aerospace-grade titanium, which not only gives it a premium touch but also makes it incredibly durable while being lighter than the previous generation. The display is a true masterpiece, a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR Infinity Pro display with a refresh rate of 165 Hz, offering breathtaking smoothness and ultra-vivid colors that make everything from gaming to streaming feel like a cinematic experience. The power inside this device is mind-blowing. Apple's new A20 Bionic Fusion chip with 4nm architecture delivers performance levels that were once unimaginable on a smartphone. Whether you are playing the most graphic-intensive games, editing 8K videos on the go, or using AI-driven multitasking, the iPhone 17 Pro Max handles it effortlessly. And thanks to its upgraded neural engine, artificial intelligence is deeply integrated into every part of the phone, from predictive text to camera optimization and even real-time language translation without the need for the internet. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where Apple has taken innovation to a new league. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a quad-lens pro camera system featuring a 200 megapixels main sensor, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide, a 64 megapixels telephoto with 15x optical zoom, and a dedicated LiDAR 2.0 sensor for unmatched depth and AR experiences. The low-light photography is breathtaking, producing detailed, noise-free images that look professional even in near darkness. The cinematic mode has been upgraded to support 8K HDR at 120 frames per second, turning your video recordings into Hollywood-level masterpieces. Selfies are no longer just selfies. With the 48 megapixels front camera and advanced facial mapping, your social media uploads will look stunning every single time. Battery life has also seen a massive upgrade. Apple promises up to 48 hours of heavy use with the new graphene-based battery technology, which not only charges at lightning speed with 80% charge in just 12 minutes but also remains cooler and more energy efficient. The addition of wireless ultra-fast charging at 80 W makes it even more convenient for those always on the move. The new iOS 20 software experience feels fluid, smart, and personal. With its redesigned widgets, deep AI customization, and integration with Vision Pro and Apple Car, it makes you feel like your iPhone is more than a device, it's an intelligent companion. Apple has also stepped into the future with security features. The iPhone 17 Pro Max offers quantum encryption security, making your data virtually impossible to hack. Face ID now works even faster and in all lighting conditions, while the under-display Touch ID gives you a second secure option. The connectivity has gone beyond expectations with 7G Ultra connectivity, Wi-Fi 8, and satellite calling that ensures you stay connected even in remote areas where networks fail. When it comes to storage and memory, Apple has introduced up to 4 terabytes of internal storage, which feels limitless for professionals, creators, and power users. The RAM has been increased to 24 gigabytes on the higher variants, ensuring buttery-smooth performance no matter what you throw at it. And yes, gaming on this device is a whole new level, thanks to console-grade graphics powered by ray tracing technology. In terms of pricing, Apple has kept it premium, starting at $1,499 for the base model and going up depending on storage and customization. But honestly, with everything packed into this futuristic beast, it feels worth every single penny for those who demand the absolute best. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a phone, it's the future of technology compressed into your palm. It is sleek, powerful, secure, and visionary, a device that stands tall above all competition in 2026. If you are someone who wants innovation, class, and performance combined, then the iPhone 17 Pro Max is without doubt the ultimate smartphone experience of this year.